Are you looking for the best drone manufacturing companies? In this video we will look at some of the best drone manufacturing companies on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Xiaomi Mjia A1 or 3S GPS Drone. A quiet excitement begins the instant the Xiaomi Mjia A1 or 3S GPS Drone 8K Professional Brushless Laser Obstacle Avoidance Aerial Optical Foldable Quadcopter Mini 4K drone rises above the ground and reveals a view that feels calm, wide, and deeply inspiring. The world below starts to look different, turning simple places into meaningful scenes filled with emotion and beauty. Many people search for a way to escape routine and experience something fresh without complexity. This flying device answers that need by creating a smooth and enjoyable journey through open space. The feeling of guiding it gently through the sky brings a sense of freedom that relaxes the mind and awakens curiosity at the same time. Captured memories become more powerful when seen from a new perspective. A peaceful afternoon, a joyful gathering, or a scenic trip transforms into a lasting story that feels personal and unforgettable. Each recorded moment carries depth, allowing you to relive those experiences with stronger connection and emotion whenever you wish. Search behavior shows increasing demand for smart aerial photography tools that feel simple yet engaging. This model naturally fits those expectations, making it easier for users to explore creativity without pressure. It supports both planned outings and spontaneous adventures, adding excitement to every experience. Owning this drone feels like opening a new window to life, where every flight inspires imagination, every view feels unique, and every memory becomes something you truly value and want to keep close for years ahead. Number 2. 4DRC F15 8K Camera Drone. A new feeling of discovery begins when the 4DRC F15 8K camera drone with 3-axis gimbal 240-gram foldable quadcopter 30-minute flight GPS smart follow brushless motor RC drone lifts gently and reveals a peaceful view from above. The sky becomes a place where imagination grows, and every glance downward feels calm, wide, and deeply inspiring. People often search for something that brings real emotion into their everyday life. This aerial companion creates that connection by offering a smooth and relaxing journey that feels natural from the first moment. Watching the ground slowly move beneath gives a sense of freedom that clears the mind and fills the heart with quiet joy. Memories gain stronger meaning when seen from a higher perspective. A simple walk, a family moment, or a beautiful sunset transforms into a lasting visual story that feels personal and unforgettable. Each captured scene holds emotion, helping you return to those memories whenever you want and feel the same warmth again. Search trends continue to show rising interest in advanced flying devices that are easy to enjoy without stress. This model fits that desire perfectly, allowing users to explore creativity with confidence. It supports both planned trips and spontaneous adventures, turning every outing into something special. Owning this drone feels like opening a door to endless inspiration, where each flight builds confidence, every view feels fresh, and every memory becomes a meaningful story that stays close to your heart for a long time. Number 3. Xiaomi Mjia V198 Max Drone. A sense of wonder quietly rises when the Xiaomi Mjia V198 Max Drone 8K Professional FPV Brushless Laser Obstacle Avoidance Aerial Optical Foldable Quadcopter Mini 4K drone takes off and opens a view that feels calm, limitless, and deeply moving. The world below transforms into a beautiful scene that touches emotions and sparks imagination in a way that feels truly special. Many individuals search for a way to turn ordinary moments into something meaningful. This flying companion fulfills that desire by creating a smooth and peaceful experience that feels easy to enjoy. Guiding it through open air brings a gentle excitement that refreshes the mind while building a connection with the surroundings. Captured scenes hold more than just images. A simple outing, a joyful celebration, or a quiet sunset becomes a powerful memory that stays alive for years. Each frame carries feeling and depth, allowing you to revisit those experiences and relive the same emotion whenever you wish. It becomes a personal collection of moments that matter. Search demand continues to grow for intelligent aerial photography devices that combine simplicity with creativity. This model aligns naturally with those expectations, making it easier for anyone to explore new perspectives without confusion. It supports spontaneous travel and planned journeys, adding a sense of purpose to every experience. Choosing this drone feels like unlocking a new way of seeing life, where every flight inspires creativity, every view feels unique, and every memory becomes something you truly value and want to hold on to forever.